Hello! If you use DoubleTick to send WhatsApp messages, chances are you rely on templates quite a bit. In this video, we are going to walk you through the templates section, what it is, how to get there, and how to make the most of everything on that page. Let's get started. The templates section is your central hub for managing all the WhatsApp message templates created under your DoubleTick account. From here, you can view all your existing templates, search for specific ones, filter them by different criteria, and keep track of their status, all from one place. To get to the templates section, hover over the left side of your screen. The sidebar or navigation panel will slide open. You will see templates listed there. Click on it and you will land on the main templates page. Now let's look at the filters at the top of this page, because they make finding the right template very easy. First, you have the search box on the left. Simply type the name of the template you are looking for, and it will appear instantly. Next to it is the channel drop-down. If you have multiple WhatsApp API numbers onboarded on DoubleTick, you can use this to filter templates by a specific number. Just select the channel you want, and only its templates will show up. Then you have the status drop-down. Every template has a status: approved, pending, rejected, or other. Use this filter to sort your templates based on where they currently stand in the approval process. After that is the category drop-down. Templates on DoubleTick fall into 3 categories: marketing, utility, and authentication. If you want to see only your marketing templates, for example, just select marketing and deselect the rest. And finally, there is the all agents drop-down. If your team has multiple members creating templates, you can use this filter to view templates created by a specific agent or a combination of agents. On the right-hand side of the page, you will notice 2 layout options: grid view and list view. Both have icons you can click to switch between them. Choose whichever layout works best for you. Now for each template listed on this page, here is the information you will see: the name of the template, its category, and the language it was created in. You will also see a preview of the template content, the WABA, that is, the WhatsApp API number or numbers the template is linked to, and its current status. Then you have created by, which tells you which agent created the template. Created on shows the date it was originally created. And you can sort this column in ascending or descending order using the arrow next to it. Last updated captures the most recent date the template was edited, and last used on tells you the last time that template was actually sent out to a contact. And that covers everything you need to know about the templates page in DoubleTick. It is designed to give you quick access to your entire template library, with the filters and sorting options to help you stay organized as your account scales. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We are happy to help.